In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Forms with Excel quickly and effortlessly. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, ensuring that all your collected data is organized and easily accessible in Excel. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and type Microsoft Forms into the search bar. Once you've found the official Microsoft Forms site, go ahead and click on it. You'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you're not automatically signed in, look for the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you should be good to go. Now that you're logged in, you will be on the main Microsoft Forms page. From here, select the form you wish to connect to Excel. If you have several forms, they'll be displayed in a list format, so simply click on the one you're interested in working with. With your form open, the next step is to navigate to the Responses tab, located at the top of the page. This tab provides insights on the data that has been collected so far, including the number of responses and individual entries. It's a useful feature for those of you keeping a close eye on participation. Now, to transfer this data into Excel, look for the option labeled Open in Excel. Clicking this will open a new workbook in Excel for the web that includes all the responses that have been gathered so far. It's fast, efficient, and just like that, you've exported your data into an Excel format. With the workbook now open, you can begin interacting with your data directly in Excel. The best part? This workbook is automatically saved in your Microsoft OneDrive or SharePoint account. This means your data is not only accessible from anywhere you have an internet connection, but it also updates in real time. As new responses come in, they are immediately reflected in this Excel workbook, ensuring you always have the most current data at your fingertips. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to keep your form responses organized and automatically updated in Excel. Whether you're using this integration for educational surveys, business reports, or event registrations, it can significantly enhance your data management efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.